Good day, I am Hazel D., 38 years old and a mother of two kids. I finished my college degree at Philippine Christian University as a Bachelor of Science in Secretarial Administration. I want to go abroad to earn money to support for my family.
How are you, Miss Hazel?
I'm fine, thank you.
Did you work abroad before?
No.
Did you work as a domestic helper in the Philippines?
Yes.
How many members of the family did you serve?
5.
How many
including
children?
The parents, 3.
How old they were?
They are 12, 9, and 3.
Okay, so do you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes.
Can you tell us how?
Bathing, feeding, changing diaper, and give
Okay, so
their vitamins.
what were your main duties with the family?
I do cooking, washing clothes, cleaning the house, ironing the clothes.
Okay, so can you sing children's song?
Yes.
Okay, please try. Please try.
I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them apart so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes.
Can you follow recipe book?
Yes.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
Filipino dish.
Describe your personal character.
I am a hardworking person, loyal, respectful, and friendly.
How can you say that you will be a good domestic helper?
I will follow the rules and regulation of my employer, and I
And?
will finish my contract with them
For 2 years.
for 2 years.